2004 Chevy Silverado extended cab Z71 4x4. Here's another one of our favorite trucks, one of the best trucks out there. This one is in really great shape, really good color, very nicely equipped, sitting on newer tires. Only has 158,000 miles, which, as you probably know, that's very, very low for these trucks. They're getting so hard to find. We are just so pleased to be able to get this one in, and it really has delivered on every aspect of condition, mechanically, just everything. So I'm going to try and do a quick video walk around on this one, try and show you some of the blemishes, show you the inside, show you the outside, just go a little bit more in depth than what a photo or a picture can do, and just show you exactly what this truck is. Like I said, it is a 2004 model. It is the Z71 trim, as well as it has the Z71 package. So that comes very nicely equipped, both with appearance and a couple of nice things on the inside. It's dressed in the Victory Red color, one of my favorite GM colors. Just really pops. Very, very sharp color. It is a two-tone truck, so it's got the nice silver birch lower section that really makes it a sharp-looking truck. Just overall, the body and truck are just in way above average shape, just very clean. Looking up here in the front, all the headlights are in good shape, still very clear. As you know, a lot of these GM usually get fogged over pretty easily. Hood's in nice shape. The front clip here is in good shape. You know, a few small little rock chips like that, but nothing major for sure. Just really in exceptional shape. Lower end is in good shape. Chrome is in good shape. So front end really is above average for sure. Looking down this passenger side, nothing too much to speak of here. No major dents or scratches, anything like that. This red paint just is really in nice shape and just a really great color. It just really pops in the sun. A little bit of paint chipped off right here, but not too bad. Lower section here is in good shape. The other great thing about this truck is there was really no rust on the truck at all. Rockers are still solid. Wheel wells, there's no rust. You look at this close-up section here. One piece of grass there. Get that out of the way. There we go. You look at the close edge here. There's just no bubbling. Just no evidence of rust at all. It's got the nice factory color matched fender flares that came with the Z71, so that's a nice thing as well. You know, rockers and cab corners are all just in really good shape. You know, maybe a little bit of light surface rust on the rockers, but it doesn't really show through, as you can tell, by any means. And so really it's hard to say if there is rust. It's just maybe a little bit of rock chipping, surface rust, and that type of thing. So nothing major for sure. The whole bottom end here is in good shape. Doesn't have a bunch of rock rash or anything like that. So hood's in nice shape. Truck doesn't have any hail or major PDR. A couple of light scratches like this. They're only about 2 inches long though, so nothing to speak of really there, but just wanted to point those out. You know, like I said, no hail on the whole top end of the truck. No major PDR or anything like that. This driver's side, it's in good shape as well. A couple of small little scratches like that, but they're not too bad. A couple of small scuffs like this. If I can pick those up, they're not hardly even noticeable. Once again, these wheel wells, no rust at all or anything. Bottom clip is good. You get up close, there's just nothing here at all to be seen. It's got a few loading scratches here on the side of the bed, a couple little scratches in the paint there that have been taken care of and touch up. But overall, just you stand back and you can't even see any of that. Whole bed side's in good shape. Lower end, once again, it's not all rock chipped out or anything like that. Fender flares in good shape, no scuffs. Whole thing. Looking down here, driver's side rocker and cab corners all in good shape. As you can see, just nothing really to speak of. Like I said, maybe a little bit of light surface just because of rock chips and stuff, but nothing major, or definitely no rot or anything like that. Nothing even close to what you normally see in these trucks. So pretty much you can say the truck has no rust. But if you are looking for something that's like not a speck of rust, it maybe has a little bit of surface here or there, but nothing bad at all. So if you call and ask us, we'll tell you most likely it just really doesn't have any rust or no rust. But being a 16-year-old truck, of course it's going to have a little bit of surface rust here or there. So nothing much to speak of. Sitting on pretty new Cooper Discover tires. They're just in very, very good shape. Very nice, meaty, grippy tire. I don't know if they're more of an all-terrain or mud-terrain, but definitely a beefy tire that's gonna give you good traction in all kinds of scenarios. So those are pretty new, and I know those are expensive. Those Cooper Discover are very expensive tires, so that's nice. So let's go ahead and jump on the inside here. Looking at the inside, as you can tell, it's just in really, really nice shape. The biggest thing on this is just a little bit of light wear here on this driver's side. No tearing, no ripping. It's very, very minor. Just shows a little bit of age there. But the interior overall is just in fantastic shape. No major rips or spills or worn spots or anything like that. It smells great. It's it doesn't have any signs of just major normal truck use. It just really is above average. Does have power locks windows, does have power mirrors, does have power fold-in mirrors as well, does have turn signal mirrors, so that's nice. You can do the power fold-in mirrors when you need to for when you're in a garage or bank or something like that. Has automatic headlights, does have fog lights, does have shift on the fly 4x4. So that's going to be how a Z71 is going to come really well equipped, just with all those power things, shift on the fly 4x4, turn signal mirrors, that type of thing. They have upgraded the headrest here and put in some super nice Z71 headrest embroidered ones. Really is a nice interior perk. The back seat is in really great shape. Has the floor mats, GM rubber floor mats. You can pop this up and you have extra cargo spots or cargo space, and you can pop it down and be able to use it. Very clean back seat, so that's nice as well. It does have a power seat up here as well. Clean and clear dash, of course. We'll do a quick key cycle. This really runs great. Just a proven drivetrain. So like I said, it is a 4-wheel drive. We'll go ahead and drop it down into 4-wheel drive low. We'll go high, which it kicks right in, and then we'll go ahead and drop it into low, which it kicks in as well. Dropped it in drive, and it just creeps forward just like you want it to. No howling or anything like that. We'll go ahead and drop it back into 4-wheel drive high, kicks out, and then 2-wheel drive high. So like I said, everything's right in the zone where it needs to be on the dash. No lights on it. We just went ahead and we had an intermittent check engine light for NOx sensors, so we went ahead and did those. As you know, that's pretty common on this generation 5.3. Kind of an expensive job because you do have to tear it down and pull off the valve covers and stuff. So we just went ahead and had that taken care of. It's not a drivability or safety issue, but we went ahead and take care of it just because of that annoyance of the light. And of course, with that, you we went ahead and did both sensors on both sides. We did the valve covers, and then we did the harness for those NOx sensors, which is commonly gets corroded and stuff. So that's a super nice thing, having that peace of mind that they're taken care of. Dual climate controls, AM, FM, CD, cassette radio. Does have the pop-up middle console. So that's nice as well. Creates that sixth person seating. Like I said, does have the full coverage rubber GM floor mats cut to fit. Passenger seats in really nice shape. Once again, the embroidered Z71 headrest. Just very, very nice in here. So we'll go ahead and pop the hood, give you a look under there, and talk about the drivetrain and business end of this truck. All right, looking under the hood of this truck, this has the proven bulletproof, fantastic 5.3 Vortec V8. Just a really great GM motor. Made it to a 4-speed automatic. This is just a very proven drivetrain. You see these trucks all the time with 250 plus miles. We've had a couple of people call on this already, and they mentioned that they had same generation trucks with 300,000 plus miles. So just very, very commonly you see these go hundreds of thousands of miles. Just under the hood, it's a very, very clean and straight place. As you can see, no leaks or questionable things going on under here. So just very straightforward, very, very ready, you know, stock situation under here. So that's always nice when you can pop the hood on a truck and it's just nothing too out of the ordinary, or hasn't been modified or anything. So if this truck is of interest, I encourage you to get in contact with us quickly. These Z71s never last very long. If you have an interest, feel free to get in contact with us through our Facebook page, through our website, eaglecareautos.com. I encourage you to get on there just because that's a lot easier place to see all of our information and vehicle information. It's Brad and Miles Beckman here at Eagle Care Autos in McPherson. Brad, he's my dad, he's the owner. We're just a small family used car dealership. We've been here about 20 years. And so look forward to the opportunity to serve you in whatever we can, whether on this truck or something else we may have of interest. Thanks so much for watching.